Good morning on this Winning Wednesday. It's Coach T here, and I hope everybody had a great week thus far. It's Happy Hump Day in the middle of the week, most likely, if you work Monday through Friday. And I'm just coming on right now to try and get some inspiration. Listen, over the last few days, I have been tested, and I have seen some things that I noticed that, you know what, I see that we have to talk about resilience. We have to be resilient. So many times people test you and try you and do things to you that you just don't know why, right? So you win by being your authentic you and understanding that that person is having an individual problem, not you. You ain't got to fight with them. You got to argue with them, because 9 times 10, if you do, you're going to get the negative consequence. You're going to get the negative attention, and you're going to get the negative record. So you have to be smart enough not to fight and argue back. You gotta be resilient enough to understand that your worth, your value, and what you bring to the table. Why do people wanna irritate, aggravate, don't treat people the way they wanna be treated? I have no idea. You don't have no idea. And if we think about it, we're gonna go crazy thinking about it. So I'm trying to challenge you right now on this Winning Wednesday to fight back with resilience, right? The human brain got 3 aims. They're gonna fight, flight, or freeze, right? You make it freeze up and get paused and just be quiet, don't say nothing. Probably so. And sit there and take the abuse. You can also either fight back. 9 times 10, it ain't gonna work out in your favor. However, depending on what person is authority, depending on what sexuality is, whether you're male or female, usually when males fight back at a female, it doesn't end well for that male. When females fight back, hey, you know what? Still don't end well for that male, most likely. Because whatever that female say, 9 times 10 is going to be a mark against that male. So that's why he got to be very resilient and very smart with his reaction. When it comes to female, then hey, fair game. Most likely going to be a fight out, depending on authority level. Then the other part is flight. You can run, you can get away. That's the way I choose usually to handle situations that I encounter. I usually just run from it, get away from it, because I don't want that energy. I don't want that negativity. I don't want none of that stuff around me. However, sometimes you're trapped into 4 walls and you can't run from it. You got to deal with it, right? And then sometimes I find that silence, freezing, and just letting it be may be the best option, because then you don't trap yourself in a hole. You give them the freedom to keep on saying the things they're going to say, do the thing they're going to do, and put themselves in a predicament where they're going to hurt themselves in the long run, because you got all this ammunition, you got all this stuff that they done did, you got all the facts now because they done ran their mouth so much that they put it out there. So again, one more time, hey, you fight back by being your authentic you. Don't let people get you out of character. And I'm talking to a lot of students right now. I'm talking to a lot of people in general right now. I'm even talking to adults right now that's in work environments that may be a little toxic. Because sometimes people just going through things on their own, and they want to inflict pain on other people for whatever reason. Or maybe they just like inflicting pain on people. I don't know. Or causing confusion, or causing chaos, or disrupting someone else that's on path. Or maybe it's just a way to test you to see where, not them testing you, maybe it's a way of God just testing you to see if you're ready for the next level. I don't know. I choose not to try and figure that part out, because I can't control what anything happened on the outside of me. I can control what happened on the inside of me and what I do with me. So Coach T, why would it be great? Invest now and grow your future. Like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I hope that everybody found this to be something they needed to hear today on this hump day, on this Winning Wednesday. And I hope you can build resilience in the future. And if you need help with that, I do have some strategies. Book a call with me, let's have a conversation, and let's get on this path to your #1 goal. And let's get some clarity so you can start working on that. Coach T, aiming to inspire, motivate, and encourage. Why wait to be great? Invest now and grow your future.